The pandemic, being the ruthless sculpture of our lives, has made us experience innumerable sufferings in recent past. Loss of lives, steep rise in suicide rates among daily wage earners, to factories, shops and restaurants closing down in different pockets of the city. This has literally become part of our daily ingest. Recently, one such incident has left all the sweet craving enthusiasts of the city heartbroken, when one of the legendary bakeries, Cookie Jar, was forced to close its door due to the pandemic. This video is a small tribute to the incredible journey of the stupendous bakery brand that had spawned out mouth-watering delicacies since the 1985. It may come to you as a surprise that there wasn't any business plan to open a bakery anytime soon. The seeds were sown when two sisters, Lovely and Pooja Kapoor, decided to serve some of their in-house dessert specialities to their friends. With the overwhelming response received, the duo decided to rent a garage and embarked on a new journey with just one juicer, one oven, and 5 co-workers in the team. Even then, it was difficult to cope up with the increasing demands across the city, and finally, their parents decided to get a land in South Kolkata for the duo. And there was no looking back since then. The first cake shop was born in December 1985, initially to sell out tea time cookies and pastries. With sheer love and dedication, the sisters evolved to be one of the elite bakers worldwide. The bakery got patrons across the globe, including the likes of Mittals, Ambanis, and even the legendary director Satyajit Ray, who always got his birthday cake delivered from the shop. It's truly inspiring to know that neither of the sisters had any formal training on patisserie. On the contrary, the duo believes that it helped the bakery to set a benchmark for others and become a trendsetter in the industry. The uniqueness lies in the fine detailing of the ingredients used in the dishes. From the bow for a cookie jar to the mayo that goes inside a sandwich. Each of the items used is streamlined and dealt with utmost perfection. With the pandemic around, like many other businesses, confectionaries are finding it quite challenging to cope up with the stricter lockdown guidelines that are imposed on them. In a recent interview with Times of India, Lovely Kapoor, the owner of Cookie Jar, stated that with the newer lockdown restrictions in place, they would hardly get any customers between 7 to 10 am in the morning, and the online orders received these days are considerably low. It was a tough call, but they have decided to shut down the outlets for an indefinite period as the safety of the co-workers is their topmost priority at this moment. They may consider reopening the factory after the COVID situation improves. While gliding through the memory lane of one of the oldest bakeries in Kolkata, I realized that the COVID has laid down a fateful battleground for all of us. We are all warriors and are fighting to make it through the battle for survival. The lockdown imposition is the dire need of the hour, but it has some underlying implications as well and is mostly left overlooked. The government needs to be more introspective and reconsider some of their decisions to ensure a sustainable environment for all. But as they say, every cloud has a silver lining. The lockdown, which has pushed people to be homebound, has given birth to so many rising home cooks all around the city. Now, it's not only big brands who can make your dream for customized cakes come true, but surprisingly, even your next door neighbor can. As you can see, these are some of the cakes made by my friends who basically started from scratch with little to no knowledge, and I'm extremely proud to share these. Don't make the mistake of considering these to be easy. A lot of time, effort, dedication, and training have gone into perfecting these delicacies. Life goes on, and we need to embrace what the new day brings for us and try to find happiness in the smallest of achievements of our lives. So that's it on this video. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe. Until the next time, goodbye.